I won't lie to you. I don't like doing countdown. I'm not going to lie. Why lie? What's the point of lying? I feel like a polar bear trapped in a tiny cage. Going up and down, up and down. Why do I have to play countdown? Why do I have to play countdown? Why? No, but seriously, I hate playing countdown.
What would you like your obituary to say?
I don't care. I'll be dead. And ideally, I'd like it just to say... No! Why? No! Ah! You can't write tears, Jimmy.
Sean, do you want to play along for fun, sort of personal battle between us?
No, I'm fine.
You could play for Claude.
Why would I do that? 'Cause I've already got him. Just check. Her. I've already got her.
Are you playing along with Miles for fun?
But not for Claude, no.
Right. Oh, right. Oh, fuck it, money. A grand?
Tell you what. I won't spit on you when we're having sex tonight.
Good luck trying it without a spit.
I'm wiping the tear out my eye. Oh, Sean's just very kindly offered not to spit on one of our guests.
That's a nice thing.
What have I done now?
You say I'm not a nice guy, but I do nice things.
I've gone again. Donald, come in. I've just gone again. Sorry, hang on. What I've got to do is try and forget what he said. So at the end of... what are you drinking there?
Water.
Lovely can of
New
water.
You've not seen the new water brand? It's just water. Lovely. I mean, it's from a canal. So
You're just rehydrating, are you?
I wouldn't normally with water, but it's so watery, I'd say cheers.
What's your morning routine?
Well, I get up, I put all the light bulbs back in. Because lockdown's over. Flick the power on. Get the remotes out of the safe. Turn the stopcock back on, so we've got water.
Stopcock?
Yeah, the stopcock.
I know what stopclock is.
No, stopcock. Down your house, there's a tap under a cupboard somewhere.
And it's called a stopcock?
Yeah, and
No,
it
it's
stops the
not.
water.
Roisin has never used the word stop and cock in the same sentence. Never.
Did I ruin your itinerary? So you were up to the stopcock. Was there any more you had to tell you?
No, it was just the fact that I shut my house down. When I go to bed, nobody's allowed to use any of the facilities in the home until I awake again. But, you know, just because you don't understand some basic words that we all use, I'm frightened of using the word the now.
Sean, did you get it?
Yeah, I did it by just willpower. I don't use maths. I used the force of the mind. 10 times 75, which is 750.
Yeah, you're still in the game.
And then, by using sheer willpower, I used the 10 again. Catching. I'm quite good at catch.
You can't get that.
I could have gone one or two ways. Well, I've got a problem, actually, with playing this game, so I don't have a pen. So I think it's going to make it difficult for me.
Sean, bit of good news. I've got a pen and you're good at catching. So Sean and Rod have 17 points. John and Kevin have 39. OK, fingers on buzzers. You're playing for dignity.
There's a woman there not clapping. Woman in the green top. She's not clapping. That's better. We've done well. We've been trying hard. I've seen better countdowns.
OK.
Don't wear a green jumper and not clap. That's what I'm saying. If you're not going to clap, wear a brown jumper like the fella in front.
Yes, green, famously not a good colour for camouflage.
Yeah. That's in a TV studio, Jimmy, actually. Mr. I could very so quickly say something which people might laugh at.
John, Sean, make your way to the podium for our version of Mr. and Mrs. It's Mr. and Mr. Can we have the sting again, please? They're taking their time getting here. Did you walk out? Could you not?
I've never played it before.
Sting again. Just one more time. He's on the way. He's on the way.
Over here.
OK, stand. No, obviously not.
I've never played it before. How do you play this? How do you play it, guys?
I don't know. I
Okay,
just
if you could
did what I
stand
was
next
told.
to John there. That's how the game is played. You stand ominously just behind the smaller man.
He stood in a position that leads you to speculate that our marriage might not be a Mr. and Mr. scenario.
That's better. That's all I wanted, John.
Sean, you feeling confident this evening?
Well, there's no point in that, is there? I've realised that the only thing this show tests is my patience. I've got an amazing trick I'm going to perform, a feat of prediction. I've written a word down in this envelope, and at some point in the show, someone's going to come up with that word. It's going to come up on that board. I'm going to give this to Rachel, and if Rachel will be so kind, she can open the envelope, and the word that will be up on the board there will be in this envelope.
Incredible mind trick.
Well, it's that way, yeah. It's predictive power. And it won't necessarily... Whoop. We don't need to retake that, do we? That was...
I don't think anyone noticed anything. I think you styled it out there, Sean. Nice one.
You can see why magicians have a sort of patter and a sort of way of doing these. You'd be so kind of... Oh, shit. Thank you, Rachel.
Okay.
So when I say I'll give you the nod,
all right,
you open that and it'll be a... Mate, I'd better look where I'm going. I'd like you now to open that card, Rachel. You'll find the word in there is beam rules.
It's got Santa on it.
Oh.
What does it say, Rachel?
To Brian and Margaret. Merry Christmas.
Does it say anything else?
Merry Christmas, you pair of tossers. From Sean from next door.
Sean, what's...
I know what happened now. That Brian and Margaret have got a card with beam rules written on it.
Do you have a mascot?
Yes, I do, Jimmy. It's this guy, my ideal man.
What is it?
This is a little guy I made at school. I wasn't very good at faces. So I refused to make a face.
You refused?
Yeah. The teacher said, you need to finish that. And I said, it is finished.
Did you pretend he would put his head under his jumper like that?
I
And he was
genuinely tried to say not everyone had a head.
just- he was going,
There you go. There he is.
Sean, just... Sean, all I would say is commit to the bit. I think do the rest of the show like that.
Yeah. You know me, Jimmy. I'm all about commitment.
Sean, are you all right in there?
Yeah, fine, yeah.
I bet it's cosy.
It's actually quite smelly.
Oh.
You don't normally get to sort of live in a tent with your armpits like this.
Yeah, it must be quite weird.
Must be difficult. Anyway, yeah, well, hang on, we're just... Yeah.
Where's my pen?
You guys!
We better get back, otherwise we won't get paid. Jesus.
I'll play countdown all on my own.
Quite fun. That was very much like being back at school.
I assume someone's doing something behind me.
Are you feeling ghosts? There's no one behind you.
Yeah, there is.
Sean, you're a fine figure of a man. How do you stay in such remarkable condition?
I don't know, really, Jimmy. I mean, I've got a tapeworm. That helps. That certainly helps. Well, I call him Charlie. So go on, Charlie, that's for you. Look. Like that. You know that 12% of the people in this country have got tapeworm.
Really?
Which actually makes them more popular than dogs.
Is that true?
As a pet, yeah.
How do you get a tapeworm? Do you eat a worm and it
Off
stays
pork,
in you?
don't you? Yeah.
You get it off pork.
Do you?
Yeah.
Always pork.
Yeah, always pork. You get it off pork and not off anything else.
Another victory for the Quorn Brigade.
I've got a song about it. If you want to get a tapeworm, eat some pork. If you want to get a tapeworm, eat some pork.
Oink, oink.
Lamb, chicken, beef, fish or egg. Forget it. You won't get a tapeworm. You can eat too, don't you?
Did someone upstairs Google if you get tapeworms from pigs?
How do pigs get them?
They get them from other pigs.
They eat pork.
You can only get them. How many times do I have to explain it? You can only get a tapeworm. If you want to get a tapeworm, eat some pork. They eat pork, and then they get it, and they get it to the pork.
So which came first, the tapeworm or the pig?
Well, it was the Big Bang, actually. What happened was, in the Big Bang, all the tapeworms flew into the pigs.
Some people say this version of Countdown is less intelligent than
Sean, news just in. You can get tapeworms from beef.
Well, I just say one thing. Google can go fuck itself.